How to get rid of bedbugs fast and permanently? Getting rid of bedbugs permanently requires your patience, thorough inspection, and often multiple methods of treatment. Assigning an experienced pest control professional who is specialized in bedbug treatments and follow the principles of IPM, integrated pest management, you can permanently get rid of your bedbug infestation. The integrated pest management is defined by the IPM Institute of North America as a sustainable, science-based, decision-making process which combines biological, cultural, physical and chemical tools to identify, manage and reduce risk from pests, pest management tools, and strategies in a way that minimizes overall economic, health and environmental risks. A quality pest controls professional implements IPM rules and regulations into their bedbug procedures to ensure you get rid of bedbugs safely and permanently. An IPM approach to get rid of bedbugs means low-risk pesticides will be and should be used in minimized amounts. The IPM procedures recognize the value of vacuuming, steaming, heat treatments, cryonite or freeze treatments, trapping, and monitoring to get rid of bedbugs permanently. Another foundation of effective IPM is communication with the PMP pest management professional and customer education. Bedbug IPM relies on the homeowner to be smart in checking bedbug traps and explaining their findings to their pest management professional. The PMP may ask questions and investigate how the infestation has been introduced into your home. In determining the source of your bedbug infestation, you can help them to avoid a future bedbug infestation. Successful bedbug IPM requires a good relationship with excellent communication between PMP and the homeowner, and that is why your selection of pest control company is very important. If you follow these principles, you can get rid of bedbugs permanently. Heat treatment. Heat treatments are the easiest and quickest way to kill bedbugs. This is not so fast, but it can be accomplished in one appointment with a pest control company. They are licensed professionals with specialized equipment. They will heat your room between 135 degrees Fahrenheit (57.2 degrees Celsius) to 145 degrees Fahrenheit (62.7 degrees Celsius), and place thermometers around the room, and watch closely to ensure the air is heated enough to kill bedbugs but not to cause any damage. Bedbugs and their eggs will die immediately at 122 degrees Fahrenheit 50 degrees Celsius. This treatment usually takes between 6 to 8 hours and requires careful monitoring by the technician and preparation from the homeowner. Successful heat treatment can get rid of bedbugs in as little as an afternoon. You can apply this method by yourself (DIY) if you are confident enough to perform properly and buy a professional heater from anywhere.